kindergarten. Welcome back to Miss Hirsch's Kinder Corner. Today we're going to talk some more about 3D shapes and we're going to do a math experiment. So we're going to find out whether some objects roll. And after they roll, or don't roll, you're going to try out to see if they can stack and if they can slide. So let's take a look at the paper. This is the paper that you had in your package or on Google Classroom. And we're going to experiment with a cup, a ball, a cone, and a box. And on this paper, all we're going to do is find out whether these things roll. Okay, so that's our first step. So first thing I have is a cup. I want you to make a guess. Do you think this cup will roll? Yes or no? Let's find out. If I put it on the bottom, does it roll? No. What if I put it on the side? Will it roll then? Let's see. It's not rolling straight, but is it still rolling? Yeah, that is still rolling. So on my paper, next to my cup, I'm going to circle rolls. Okay, my cup rolls. Now I bet you already can tell me what a ball does. Does a ball roll? Of course. Let's watch it roll. So on my paper, next to the picture of the ball, I'm going to circle rolls. Now what about the next thing? Our cone shape. I have a hat. Do you think this rolls? If I put it flat, that's not rolling. And it definitely won't roll on the tip, it just falls over. But what's it doing when it's on the side? If it rolls, will it roll straight? What do you think? Let's see. What kind of way is this rolling? It's rolling in a circle, isn't it? It might not be rolling straight, but it is still rolling. So on our paper, we have to circle rolls. Now, what do you think will be my results for my last experiment? Does a box roll? Some of you probably are thinking, if I put it down the stairs, it will roll. But is it rolling or is it hopping on the corners? Right? That's not rolling, that's jumping or bumping. So if I try to make it roll, this is not rolling. What is this called when I'm doing this? That's sliding, right? So on my paper, I can't circle rolls. My box doesn't roll. It's the only shape we're testing that does not roll. But a box can do other things. So it might not roll, but if I pile things on top of it that are also box shaped, this is called stacking. And I can stack sideways or up and down, right? And if I have a ramp or a slide, I can see that my shapes slide. They're bumping. They slide if they're squares, right? So there's some things that a square shape, a cube shape, or a box shape can do. It can slide and it can stack. What about a can shape? Do you think a can shape can stack? Will it stack if I put it on its side? Not really. See, it's rolling. But what if I do this? Do you think I can stack some things on top? Look, my can shape can be used to stack. And what did we see on the table earlier? It can also slide. Do you think I could stack with a cone? I could, but I can't put anything on top. So my cone shape can only stack if it's the very top thing. Can it slide? Sure can. Right? But the thing we know about a ball is that the only thing that a ball can do is roll. Right? Balls can't do anything else. They just roll. When you do this paper, try and experiment with your shapes and see. Can you make them stack? Can you make them slide? Let's see what else you can learn about your 3D shapes and how they work. Thanks for joining me today, you guys.